This gigantic face was discovered on a mountain near the village of Sardikola in Nepal. The reporter for a local newspaper got this footage from a drone. This giant appeared after a collapse of part of a mountain. If it's not a petrified giant, it's a very old sculpture, perhaps antediluvian. I'm waiting for more news about the discovery, and will this discovery be covered up? What do you think? Accidentally discovered by drone. This is on Out of Mind 2. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box.